I know I have some explaining to do.
You think?
I can't just leave, you know. When I have nowhere to go.
That sound like a healthy environment for you for day 9 Antonia.
We know, but me have to just go and bear it till better come.
So how long you think you can hide this from him for?
I don't know, you know. But I can't make him know so me I work. I not get to save up no money.
Based upon you explain that you to him sound like he might all hurt you.
You do that enough time, you know.
And you say that like it normal. You can't get comfortable in them situation, you know, princess.
I like when you call me that.
What are you to do for you?
Just a place to stay, but I'm very abusive.
John. You sure you don't want me to pay him a visit?
So you have to put me up, take care of me, protect my friend.
Maybe if my circumstances are different, princess.
You want 5 together? I wanna just business partner.
It's complicated.
Yes, 5?
What going Tony?
Not much. My day here.
How the shop are going?
It a go on good enough.
It need anything?
Just a few things, but shop you will get in today.
Oh, in there?
Yeah man, him there.
In the near you?
No, him there near me.
Tony, go down at the shop and talk to me. Tony, let me tell you something. I'm me, employer here. So your loyalty lies with me.
But 5
But you know the difference when you're in at the shop and when you're up at the house.
Sorry 5.
Listen to me. You see any day I'm not going there, you make me know. So I can come up there and can do restock.
Yes 5.
Ah.
Five?
Good wine.